That breaking news now at 4, a showdown between the state of Florida and its public schools. 6 districts are now standing up to the Department of Education, while administrators are threatening to strip educators of their salaries.
The districts have filed a lawsuit challenging the rule that blocks mask mandates. There are 6 districts altogether, including Orange County here in Central Florida. The lawsuit comes as the State Board of Education found several districts not in compliance with a ban on mask mandates. It includes 2 in Central Florida.
That's right. Matt Lipoli joins us now with more. And Matt, the local districts involved in this decision are Brevard and Orange counties. So what are officials there saying about all of this?
Well, some officials from both Brevard and Orange counties defended their positions today, saying they are in compliance with their constitutional duties. And they say they put these rules in place to avoid school shutdowns. Still, that didn't seem to change any minds on the state level this afternoon.
The motion carries.
In a conference call about whether several school districts, including Brevard and Orange counties, are in compliance with a ban on mask mandates, the State Education Board heard from parents, mostly all upset about the mask rules in place.
We don't want lawbreakers on our school board.
And they also heard from several superintendents, including Orange County's Barbara Jenkins, who called her district's mandate legal, necessary, and reasonable.
We've seen a sharp decline in positive cases after the mask requirement took effect, and healthcare professionals have commended the intervention.
But at the recommendation of the Education Commissioner, the Department of Education moved to withdraw the salaries of each district's school board members. Meanwhile, local districts now face a separate challenge.
The parents in these counties find that unacceptable.
An attorney announced a lawsuit against the school boards in Brevard and Orange counties, saying the suit represents parents who don't agree with mask rules.
The school board has grown more and more less caring about what the parents say.
Our children are being forced to do something that is, not what they want to do, not what their parents wish them to do.
But of course, not all parents are against the mask rules.
And my concern is for my 6-year-old son and for all children who are not yet protected by vaccines, and especially for disabled children who don't have those protections in place. We need the masks. We need them to protect our kids and
Now, regarding that decision by the Department of Education, they've given the school districts 48 hours to comply before pulling the school board members' salaries. We should note, though, that at several meetings, school board members from both Brevard and Orange counties have said that they would forego their salaries depending on this decision. Reporting live in Orange County, Matt Lipoli, WESH 2 News.